Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your videos on TikTok and like how you can add video effects to it. So to add in just like effects, you can select this like button here. There's an effects section and you can select that, and here you can add in some like very cool effects. I guess there's a lot you can choose from, like this one. You can also adjust how long you want the effects to be, and then press save. And then to edit your clips again, just press the edit button here, and you can adjust the effects here, and I think you can add more than one effect. Yes, you can. So add in like another one and like adjust how long you want the video effect to be. And yeah, that is it. You can just press delete if you don't want it, and just press save. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.